OpenClaw, the most powerful tool, the top trending in GitHub, but it's very hard to configure and run it yourself. So we need a managed version. OpenClaw set up within a minute, configured Telegram and Notion. Then I asked from Telegram to create an X, LinkedIn and YouTube post. Then it created the post and saved that in my Notion account. X post, LinkedIn post and then YouTube. All done right from my Telegram. And I'm going to take you through step by step how you can configure this OpenClaw, integrate with Telegram, integrate with Notion, and finally configure it in a way that whatever topic you sent to your Telegram bot, it automatically creates social media posts for you. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Configuring OpenClaw is a tedious task, taking hours to configure. But we have AbacusClaw. Deploy OpenClaw in seconds, secure infrastructure, ready to use skills, work for you 24/7. And you can get started with just $10 per month. Integrate with your WhatsApp, Telegram and more with memory and personality. And it includes many other features. I'll provide the link in the description for you to sign up. And thanks to Abacus.ai for sponsoring this video. Once after you sign into Abacus.ai, click the claw icon at the top. There you got various options. You can connect it to your WhatsApp, personal Telegram assistant and much more. For now, we are going to focus on personal Telegram assistant. So here you can see the options. This opens the OpenClaw's own computer and it has complete control over it. You can restart this instance by clicking this reset computer icon if at all you face any issues. Next, it has its own terminal which we also have access. So we know what it's trying to do and how it's trying to do. Then we got the dashboard automatically set up. We don't need to do anything. This is OpenClaw's own dashboard and it works same as normal OpenClaw's dashboard. Also, you can open this OpenClaw dashboard separately by clicking this icon at the top right hand corner. And here's the full dashboard. Next, we got the file browser where you can download the files or browse the files what OpenClaw is using. So first I'm going to set up Telegram. To configure Telegram, at the top you got the Telegram icon. So configure Telegram, clicking on that. Here it is telling me the list of steps. Open Telegram, message BotFather, create a new bot and get the token. So that's exactly what we're going to do. First, open BotFather. So here is BotFather in my Telegram account. /new bot, giving a bot name as you can see here with the username. And finally I got the token here, so just copying the token. So now coming to the chat, I'm just pasting that here. As simple as that. So we don't need to know complicated steps. We can just chat with this interface and configure Telegram. Now you can see it went through a few steps and Telegram is now configured and the gateway is running. This is really nice. Now next we need to send a message from the bot. Let's go back to Telegram. So here is your bot which you have just created. So clicking on that and clicking start. Now I've got the pairing code. So I just need to copy this pairing code and then paste it here. So this chat is same as OpenClaw's chat. So it says in sync. So you can either copy and paste it here or in the chat on the right hand side. That is OpenClaw's own chat. Now you can see approved Telegram sender. Now I can send a message from my bot. Let's try that. I'm in my bot. I'm going to say, hi, how are you? Now the bot is typing at the top as you can see here. And here is the response. Step number 1, configuring Telegram bot is completed. Step number 2, we need to integrate that with Notion. This is a powerful tool to organize things, take down notes, and much more. So we are going to integrate our OpenClaw, that is managed version, AbacusClaw, with this Notion. First, log into Notion. So in the private, click plus and then click the templates. From here, you can choose whatever templates you want. But for my purpose, I've created a document hub, social media planner, and the task list just for agents to manage. So in the settings, click connections and then develop and manage integrations. So here, create a new integration. I'm going to say AbacusClaw, associate workspace, and then create. So once after creating that, you need to provide access to the tabs. Clicking on connect access tab, edit access, and you got document hub, social media planner, and task list, and click save. Now step number 2 of integrating Notion is completed. Now I need to go to configuration, copy the internal integration secret. So copy this, and from here forward I can use my Telegram account to configure Notion. So at the bottom I'm going here, typing Notion configure and then entering my token and then clicking enter. Now AbacusClaw is automatically configuring this for me. So here I'm going to say yes to store it in tools and then help me access Notion. Now step number 2 is completed of integrating Notion with AbacusClaw. Next, let's give a proper task. So this is my website and I need a social media post for LinkedIn, X and for YouTube. So copying the URL and then asking it here, I need to create X, LinkedIn and YouTube post. Create it for me and clicking enter. And now it can crawl the page and then create all these posts. So here it gave my X or Twitter post, that is clear. Then I've got the LinkedIn post. Next I've got the YouTube description. Now I'm saying make sure to save it in Notion. Then it's asking me the Notion path and I'm copying the Notion URL and it's saving that in Notion. So I'm going to click that and confirm that. So here it is, social media post for praising AI, X post, LinkedIn post and YouTube description. That is really nice. Now I can keep on asking Telegram bot on whatever post I want to create and it can automatically create and save that in my Notion document. As simple as that. Now you are able to integrate and automate all your social media posts. And it's just a matter of copying and pasting it on your social network. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like AbacusClaw, I also create another video about other Abacus features, which I'll put the link in here and I highly recommend for you to watch and I will see you there.